The statistical methods that summarize, organize, and simplify data for a presentation are known as population statistics, sample statistics, descriptive statistics, or inferential statistics. Well, this is exactly the definition of descriptive statistics. Descriptive stats summarize, they organize, and they present known or observed actual measured data. Typically what that means is that you'll take a sample, and from your sample you will be able to directly measure every member of your sample, and so you can take that information, summarize it, organize it, and present it. That is what descriptive statistics is all about. So if I took a group of 100 people, so if I had a sample size equals to 100, within that group I could find what the average height is. Maybe the average height is 172 centimeters. Or I could find out what the average age is. And so that average, if I'm focused on age, could be 20 years old. So that would be a situation where I'm summarizing my data. I'm taking all 100 people and giving them just a single value that describes their average age. But it is known data, it's observed data, and so I'm not making any inferences, I'm not guessing at anything, I'm not estimating anything. I'm just summarizing what it is that I know. Organizing might be, let's say again I'm dealing with ages. Maybe if I find my people fall into these different age categories, maybe the oldest person in my survey is 23 years old, I could look at the frequency of 19-year-olds that took part in the survey. Maybe there were 10 19-year-olds and 23 20-year-olds and 38 21-year-olds and so on. In this case, what it is that I'm doing is I'm organizing my information into a table. You could also say that I'm presenting and I'm summarizing. This is not as large of, I'm not giving all 100 values here. Instead, I'm summarizing it into a small table. But again, this is descriptive statistics. With descriptive stats, we deal with what we've actually observed, so our known data, and we summarize, organize, or present it. Graphs also fall into the category of descriptive statistics. So if you create a graph where here are your 19-year-olds and your 20-year-olds and 21 and so on, you're simply just organizing and presenting the information in a different way, in a graphical way, more of a visual method of showing the viewer what your findings are. So that is what's happening in this question.